Hi everyone, this is Evie. Tonight I'm doing another acrylic pour, and the colors I'm using are green, this light green color, and I have kind of mixed into it lightly mixed into it some gold. Now this purplish bluish color. So each of these cups are dirty cups by themselves because I've got multiple colors, not quite mixed in together, just lightly mixed in. So that's got like a violet, a blue, and a little bit of gold. This one is darker purple, so a violet, a lighter purple, and a little bit of gold, lightly mixed. And each of these have silicone also. This one is a light blue with just some white lightly mixed into it. This is similar to the first green I showed you, except it's a little darker, and it's got some gold mixed into it. So we're going to do it 2 cups. So the color I want to start off with is this darker green. Yes, actually. At the very bottom, as you can tell, there's some gold in there. Okay. And then we will do we'll do a darker purple with some blue in it. And then we'll do the lighter purple with the gold in it. The color I want mostly in there is the green, the lighter green, so we'll end with that one too. And then, oh, this blue, this light blue with some white in it. Just a little bit of it in there, not too much. Okay, I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but so let's move this out of the way. So I will take this green and I'm going to pour it all over the canvas. Because when I do the pour, I want the paint to move easily to avoid having to do too much tilting, and in case there are some really nice shape I want to keep and nice colors that I want to keep. I'm trying to get the paint over the sides. I have not been doing a good job of that, but today I want to do that, get the paint over the sides, so get the sides all painted. Okay, so I've got the canvas covered. I put a little gold on there, and I've got my cups poured. And so let's go ahead and do the flip cup. Where should I put the cups? I'll put them in these 2 corners, so there'll be a diagonal. Okay, let's, ooh, oh, okay. So I hit my camera. Let's flip this and then we will fix the camera. 1, 2, 3. Flip. Woohoo, I didn't get paint everywhere. Okay, so, oh, okay. I am getting paint everywhere. Okay, so let me get this fixed. Let's get this camera back to where it should be. Okay, I will probably edit this out. Maybe not. Okay, so let's get the cups up. Get the cups up. Okay. Got a lot of paint on this. Ooh. You know what? Before we tilt, let's get some heat on it, see if we can get some cells. Ooh. looks like we got some cells. Okay, now let's get this moving. Oh, I don't want to lose all that nice purple there. Okie dokie. Okay, so I lost a lot of the colors. I want to get some purples and blues. Actually, the green is really... I want to get some purples in there. Okay. And some gold. Okay, I think that's enough gold. So let's do a little more of this tilting. I think I did too much tilting. Okay, so now let's see if we can get some more cells. We are getting more cells. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching this one. See you guys later.